Welcome to London Day 4. I went to Borough Market today and I found this nice little fudge. It was really good, and then this strawberry lemonade was really good as well. I stopped at this pasta place and got the gnocchi with sage butter. It was really good. Then I tried the popular paella. It was pretty good, but weirdly enough, the peas were hard. Then I went to a nice little walking tour. It was witch themed, so we made a bunch of stops at some historical places around London, and we learned a lot about the history of witches in England and more specifically in London. We learned about Clink Prison, Clink Street. That was pretty cool. The guide for the tour was actually really fun to listen to. Definitely if you're a theater kid, you should take this tour. At Millennium Bridge, we learned that there are some artwork made from the squished gum into the ground. That's pretty cool. For dinner, I went to Nando's because I'd heard so much about it. I got the chicken and it was pretty good, a little dry. Let me know if that's typical for Nando's. Anyway, that was my day. Hope you enjoyed.